Hello everyone, this is Vipin Sharma, your expert in aviation and tourism industry, and I'm here with yet another update about job openings which is currently available with Vistara Airline. So Vistara Airline is looking to appoint cabin crew male and female, and the eligibility criteria is that you should be an Indian national with valid passport or a PAN card or Aadhaar card. You should have good communication skills in English and Hindi both. Your height should be 155 centimeter in case of females and 170 centimeter in case of males. Minimum qualification should be 10 plus 2, which is 12th pass, with minimum 60% of the marks in case of freshers. There should be no tattoos or any marks on any visible part of your body. Your BMI, which should be your weight according to your height, should be 18 to 22 in case of females and 18 to 25 in case of males. So if you're a fresher applying for this job, you should be minimum 18-year-old and your maximum age should not be more than 27-year-old. And in case you are already an experienced cabin crew at the time of submitting this application, you should have minimum 2 years of experience as a cabin crew with domestic or international airlines, and your age should not be more than 27 years. So all of our students who are interested to apply for these jobs who are already certified can go on this link and apply for this job. Your certificate is going to be your added advantage because they know that you are already trained, you know the basics, and they would not have to spend too much time in training you, and you will be ready for the jobs in the shortest possible time. So always a student get preference if he is certified. And students, please ensure that you register yourself on this link because online registration is mandatory for you to get a call from them. So I hope you're enjoying your journey of learning with us. If in case we can be of any assistance, if you need more help from us, we are always available to help our students in whatever way we can. And in case you want to practice a mock interview with us to check if you meet all the requirements and also if you are ready to go for the interview so that you can get selected. So all the best to all the students who are appearing for this interview. We hope to hear from you about the good news of your selection. And for the rest of you, keep learning and wish you all the best.